SuperTech Full Synthetic has been sitting on the Walmart shelf for less than $7 a quart for years, while Mobil 1 sits right next to it at more than double the price. And the question most guys have never gotten a straight answer on is whether that price difference reflects actual engine protection or just 30 years of Mobil 1 advertising spend. I've put both oils through the same 4 tests I use on every comparison, and I'm going to give you a real answer based on what the numbers actually say. If you do your own oil changes, and you've been standing in the Walmart oil aisle wondering if the cheap oil is good enough, this video is for you. Let me start with what you're comparing. SuperTech Full Synthetic is made by Warren Distribution, a major American oil blender that produces lubricants for multiple retail brands. It uses Group 3 and Group 3 Plus synthetic base oils and carries API-SP certification and ILSAC GF6 compliance, the same certification credentials printed on Mobil 1 Full Synthetic. Those certifications require passing standardized engine sequence tests for wear protection, deposit resistance, sludge formation, and high-temperature performance. SuperTech passed those same tests. The 5-quart jug at Walmart runs about $22 to $24. Mobil 1 Full Synthetic runs $29 to $31 for the same volume, about $8 to $9 more per change. At 3 oil changes a year, that's $24 to $27 annually, or roughly $120 to $135 over 5 years. Round 1 is wear protection. This is where the certification credential matters most, and also where the real-world gap between these oils needs honest examination. Both SuperTech and Mobil 1 pass the same API-SP wear protection sequence tests, which means both oils meet the minimum anti-wear standard for modern gasoline engines. Where they diverge is in what each oil delivers above that floor. Mobil 1 has an additive chemistry that has been refined over 4 decades. Their anti-wear package, ZDDP chemistry, molybdenum compounds, and friction modifiers, is precisely calibrated and deeply documented. SuperTech's additive package, while certified, is thinner in documentation and depth. In standard everyday driving conditions, both oils adequately protect your engine's bearings, cam lobes, and cylinder walls. Under sustained severe conditions, extended towing, sustained high-load driving, high-mileage engines with looser tolerances, Mobil 1's deeper additive package provides a real margin of protection that SuperTech doesn't match. Mobil 1 takes round 1. Score: Mobil 1 1, SuperTech 0. Round 2 is heat resistance. Mobil 1 Full Synthetic 5W30 has a flash point around 446 degrees Fahrenheit and NOAC volatility around 8 to 9%. SuperTech Full Synthetic 5W30 has a flash point in a similar range, but NOAC volatility that runs 9 to 13% in independent testing, meaning SuperTech burns off more oil at high temperature and loses more protective mass under sustained heat stress. For a truck owner driving in a moderate climate without heavy towing, the real-world impact of this gap is small. For a Ram 1500 owner regularly towing a fifth wheel through August in Arizona, that higher volatility is meaningful. Mobil 1 keeps more oil in the engine, protecting the surfaces that matter most when the engine is working hardest. Mobil 1 takes round 2. Score: Mobil 1 2, SuperTech 0. Now here's where it gets interesting, because SuperTech makes a compelling case in the next 2 rounds. Round 3 is cold weather performance. Both SuperTech and Mobil 1 in 5W30 have pour points that handle every realistic American winter driving condition. Their cold crank performance at minus 20 degrees Celsius is comparable in their 5W30 formulations. In the real-world cold start conditions that 90% of American truck owners actually experience, even in cold northern states, SuperTech flows fast enough to protect the engine in those first seconds after startup. There is no meaningful cold start disadvantage to running SuperTech versus Mobil 1 in standard American winter temperatures. SuperTech takes round 3 on practical value. Score: Mobil 1 2, SuperTech 1. Round 4 is oil life and value. Both oils are rated for up to 10,000 miles under normal service conditions at their respective API-SP certification. There is no interval advantage for Mobil 1 over SuperTech at their standard certified ratings. At the price difference we established, over 100,000 miles of driving on a 5,000-mile change schedule, you're spending about $45 to $54 more on Mobil 1 than SuperTech over the same mileage. SuperTech takes round 4 on value. Final score: Mobil 1 2, SuperTech 2. Here's my honest verdict. For the everyday truck owner doing normal city and highway driving, changing oil on schedule every 5,000 miles, not towing heavy, not running a turbocharged engine in extreme heat, SuperTech Full Synthetic will protect your engine. The API-SP certification is legitimate. The oil is real. I've seen engines with long, healthy lives that ran SuperTech their whole service. I'm not going to tell you it's the same oil as Mobil 1, because it isn't. But for normal use on a consistent schedule, it does the job. For anything involving a turbocharged engine, heavy towing, or severe service, use Mobil 1 or Pennzoil Platinum. The additive depth and lower volatility in those premium oils earn their price in worst-case conditions that SuperTech's thinner package doesn't fully cover. My practical recommendation: Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic at $22 to $24 at Walmart. It's in the same price range as SuperTech, carries a stronger brand track record and better documented additive chemistry, and is my budget pick for guys who want name-brand confidence at budget-friendly pricing. I've dropped links to SuperTech, Valvoline, and Mobil 1 in the description below, so you can see current pricing and make your own call. Next time I'm tackling the viscosity question that confuses more truck owners than almost anything else: 5W30 versus 5W20, and whether you're running the wrong one right now. Take care of your engine. It's the only one you've got. I'll see you next time.